So hi, today I talk about version 3 that we add the 3 new features. So the first one is customer payment online, and the second one we tracking the status user location. So also because we want to check our staff that he go through for the work, yeah. And the three feature we can view location on the map that we track from number 2, so the user admin can track the the location, can view by search something, and I will show you on the app. So let's go through on the app. So I will talk about number 1 first. And in our app is Khmer language is default. You can switch to the user and you can change to English, and then I will test about number 1. So number 1 is a payment online that we need to have a customer user test. So I use this customer as a test. It's a customer test. So we need a meta number to input over here, and we have an ID card number over here, and we click login. Then we can see the depth of water supply that user use for our company. So the user can payment online, so they just click the button pay now if they have amount of debt, and if no have amount of debt, we don't have the button payment pay now. So I can click the pay now. So the pay now will generate QR code that we call KHQR. In Cambodia we use KHQR as from the national bank that can payment from any bank in Cambodia. So if you want to know about KHQR, you can check more information. You can search for KHQR or Bakong. Bakong, BAKONG, Cambodia. You can see the KHQR in Cambodia. So on they pay, on they click save or click save, and they can open any bank and upload the KHQR, and they pay, and pay already they can check the button check pay already, and the app will update and pay. So this one is the test. I don't pay for this user. So if you have any concern, please let me know for this section. Yeah, I will go through to the number 2. So I want you to know that we tracking only the start user, the start user of reader user. So all user not tracking the location, only the start reader user. So I can go through to the reader user. So we click logout and we click to the user the same, and we go to the login as staff. Yeah, login as staff, that we copy this user. Yeah, and we click login. So the login will pop up to request allow location. So also only the reader user. So we click allow while use, and we click not now, and the location will track over here. Yeah, we track over here. So it's nothing, whatever they go to work, they try to the customer house and read the map. Yeah, also, and we track the location. Yeah, this feature also like that. And yeah, I hope you understand what I mean. And number 3 Yeah, after we tracking the user on the reader, just the star reader, we can view map. I use the admin sample user one. We can view the oh let me reset the password. So for the number 3 view and search tracking location, we can go over here on the middle of bottom, and we can see the name of star. So we use this one as a tag before, and this one name code số 1 chứ. We can open it and we can search for that they. So I have the data from 3 August. I will show you the sample. So we search like that and we can see the sample data. So yeah, because this one not yet tracked before, so we don't have the data. Yeah, I hope you understand what I mean. So the tracking purpose is just for looking our internal staff that they go over there over here to avoid fraud, cheat time for the working time. Yeah, also thank you. Hope you approve to my app. Thank you.